In a hidden corner of the world, where the sun often played hide-and-seek behind fluffy clouds, a tiny dragon with rainbow scales lived among the whispering leaves and blooming flowers. One bright morning, while trying to stifle a tickle in its nose, the dragon couldn't help but let out a mighty sneeze. To its surprise, a shimmering cloud of sparkles burst forth, dancing in the air like 1,000 tiny stars. As the sparkles settled over the garden, the gnomes, who had stood as silent sentinels for years, began to stir. Their eyes blinked open, and they stretched their stiff limbs, looking around in wonder at their newfound life. The dragon watched in awe as the gnomes giggled, their laughter blending with the chirping birds and rustling leaves. With their days of stillness behind them, the gnomes eagerly explored their garden home, discovering the magic in every petal and breeze. The dragon, delighted by the unexpected,